All right, guys, welcome back. Everyone, glad to see our KuCoin Futures farm live again. Before we move into today's topic, which is the change of character, I would love to ask you guys how your trading went. Did you practice? Did you have any difficulties? If you have, you can share it in the comment section. Okay, guys, just say something. How was it? How was your trading to this morning? How was your trading yesterday? Did you practice the break of structure we did? Did you go through our candlestick pattern that we did for previous week? Have you gone through that? Just let me know, okay? Waiting for you guys. Waiting for you guys. Waiting for you guys. Jam, guys. Jam. Jam, everyone. How was your day going, guys? Wow, that's nice. So guys, I want to quickly take a recap of what we learned in our last tutorial. Okay, in our last tutorial we talk about the market structure. We talk about how the price moves in trend, right? We talk about how the price moves in trend, making higher highs, making higher lows in an uptrend, and also we have lower highs and lower lows in a downtrend direction, right? We talk about that, the market structure, because in every concept, market structure is always necessary. Okay, we also introduce the concept of break of structure, when the price breaks the most recent swing high or low, confirming a continuation or changing trend. Okay, we also practice break of structure and again in our KuCoin chart, and discuss how to use that information for entries and stop losses in future trading. Okay, we also practice the break of structure, which is usually called the short form BOS on the chart, and we discuss how to use that information for entries and stop losses in the future trading, right? Now, so for anyone who missed the class, you can always revisit the replay on the channel, okay, and it's there on the channel. And if you are new, make sure you register on KuCoin using the link in the description, right? The first link is for you to register on KuCoin. If you haven't done that, you have time to still do it. Okay, and the second one is if you are interested in joining the campaign, the ongoing campaign. Okay, this will also help you follow along with the live trading examples and also do what? Access the bonuses. Okay, So that is it. GM guys, GM everyone. My guys are super active. Okay, my guys are super active. All right. So in our last class, we talked about the market structure. We also talked about the break of structure, and we took example of the different various chart, how it's being done, and most things that really take place in the chart. Where liquidity, because we will also explain that liquidity is all about money. Okay, market needs money to move. Okay, the market needs money to do what? To move. So that is just it. The market needs money to move. So the break of structure, as we all said yesterday, is when we have a high and a swing high and a swing low, and when the market breaks the previous swing high or the market breaks the previous swing low, that is what we refer to as break of structure. Okay, it's people always get it confused by using change of character as the break of structure. No sir, change of that character has a similar meaning or similar representative as break of structure, but it means totally different. Okay, so don't just mix up, because me, when I was starting trading, I used to call change of character break of structure, and me using those words. Okay, so not knowing that break of structure and change of character are two different perspectives. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna clear you the thought about that. So for the sake of people that are joining here, like Cynthia, Simon, Messi, Jonathan, Messi, Elijah, all of you guys are welcome. I didn't see you guys yesterday in class, so for the sake of you, I will literally go back to our previous class, then we move over to our main topic of the day. Okay, we move over to the main topic of the day. Okay, and already I have explained what change break of structure means, but let me do that again. Okay, I said a break of structure happens when the market breaks a previous swing high or swing low, signaling a potential trend change or continuation. All right, so now let's go to the chart, because I don't really love talking and just go straight to the chart and show you what the break of structure means. And before I do that, and I say, is it where a previous swing high or a previous swing low? Now, a previous swing high contains 3 candles, and that 3 candle, the middle candle must be higher than the candle on the left hand and the candle on the right hand. That makes it a valid swing high. Whereas on the valid swing low, we also have 3 candles showing from the bottom trend, or it might be anywhere. All right, maybe in the middle of the chart. Okay, depending on the market structure. Right now, the swing low also is the same thing as the swing high, just contain 3 candles, the middle candle being higher than or greater than the right candle on the right hand and the candle on the left hand. Okay, that is how it is being done. Okay, this is the chart, and if you can flow with me, this is the chart. As you can see, I have to make it visible for you guys. If you want to ask me for a break of structure here, right? As you can see, this is 2 hours time frame. Let me shift it to 60-minute time frame so that you can really see it. All right, this is it, guys. This is it. Stay with me. I'm looking for a valid one to explain it to you guys. All right. I think I got it. This is it. You can see the chart well. This is it. All right. So in our last class, we said that the swing high and the swing low is when the middle candle is, it doesn't matter the kind of candlestick pattern it is, doesn't matter the nature of it. It doesn't matter the nature of it, okay? But the swing high and the swing low shows you a valid higher highs and higher lows, okay? So what we did yesterday was, I'm trying to indicate a swing high for you guys. So this is a swing low. Let me delete everything so that I can explain it for you. So don't worry, I'm gonna try my best. That is a valid swing high, okay? Right? That is it. So this is a valid swing high. Are you seeing it? This is a valid swing high. So now, if you can see very well what I'm trying to do, right? These three candles here, the green on the right, the next one is a pin bar, right? The last one is also a pin bar, a small pin bar, but here has a fat body, the middle one, okay? So guys, the swing high, I said, is the one where the middle candle is higher than, is what, the one on the right and the one on the left. So if you could see very well, this candle, the fat red candle in the middle is where the swing high, the swing low is valid, okay? So that is the swing low is valid, and I'm gonna make it okay. Let me color it so that you guys will understand what I mean. Swing eyes, that is it. So another one is that is a valid swing high. This point is not a valid swing low. It's not a valid swing high. If you should check it out, these three candles here is not a valid swing high because it is not greater than the other one, right? So I don't choose there. Okay, that is not a valid swing high, swing low. Okay, this one too. on the same basis. It's not. So this is it. This is it. This is our valid. If you can see it, the middle bullish candle, the shooting star bullish candle there with a short shadow, which is the short wick, is bigger than the small one on the left and also the small one on the right. All right. So that is it. That's our second higher high. That's our first higher high. So which I'm gonna take it up and name, color that one green. Right, that's our higher high. Then bap. Right, I'm going to show you with a break of structure, of course. I'm coming, guys. This is another one. This is another swing low. Right, I hope you are following me. Right, this is also our swing high. Are you guys following me? This is also our swing high. That is it. Right, that's our swing high. We got another low here. This is another swing low. We got another swing low. Right, after that we got another swing high. Like, it's very easy to understand, farms. Very easy to understand. That's our another swing. You see, we got 3 valid string high. I'm coming. What did I click? Oh God, where is it? Farms, where is it? All right, this is it. You see, we got 3 string high, swing high, and we also got 3 swing low. Right, this is an uptrend direction, so we see higher high, higher lows, higher high. So let me do another one for you. Cancel, no. So this is it. That's our higher high. And this is our higher low. Right, this place is our higher low. Right, right? We got another higher high here. So that is just it. Let me stop from there so that I can, explain further. So this is a swing high. So in the market structure right now, we can delete this, and let me draw the trend for you. Let me just delete everything. Right? I already told you about this. That is it. So if you are talking about our this thing, you're gonna draw it from here. This is, you can take it from here. Higher high, higher low. You see another one. No. Higher high. I got you. Higher low. Are you seeing it? Another one was what? Higher high. We pick it here. Right? You have to take from here again. Higher low. Are you seeing it? We pick from here again. Higher high. Have you seen it? We pick another one here. Higher low. We pick another one here. Higher high. We pick another one here. Higher low. The market pump again. Higher high. So now let's stop there. Let me start. Are we seeing what I'm doing? Are we seeing it? Have you seen it? Have you seen it? This one is. That is it, guys. All right. That is it. So I'm gonna explain two features, right? Already I've seen my change of character, right? I've seen my change of character. Change of character just took place here, right? Change of character just took place here. Right? So guys, this is the higher high, this is the higher low, this is the higher high, this is the higher low. This higher high took out this place. Now the ones with yellow candle is what we call the break of structure, right? The ones with the yellow candle is what we call the break of structure. You see, it took this higher high. We come out again, the market retraced down to higher low. You see, this other one also took out. Another break of structure took place here. Have you seen it? Another break of structure took place here. Another break of structure took place here. The market went up again with the mindset that it's going to up. You see, this one took out this other one, so another break of structure took place here, right? Another break of structure took place here. So that is it. That is simply what break of structure means. You see, the middle one, the middle break of structure, you took out the first break of structure, because the way the swing high was at 115,073 dollars per 1 BTC. That was the swing high as out of when? As out of 7th August 2025, right? Now what happened on take a look at what happened on. It took out that one, okay? This one was 7 August 2025. This one was the same thing. The market pumped from 116,845 and took out the previous higher high, which give us a signal of what? That is a break of structure that took place. That 11,684 is where the market crosses with that bullish green engulfing candle, right? After that one, it now pushed to a certain point, which give us 117,601. That is a new all-time high as at then. Okay, so break of structure here gives you an entry. It basically gives you an entry point. Okay, it basically gives you an entry point. What is trend line for? Someone is asking a question. What is trend line called? Trend line is just a, it's just a straight line that shows the boundary where the higher highs and where the wicks of the candle touches, or the body of the candle touch. Okay, we can trade trend lines, and I haven't done that yet, and I'll make sure I take you guys through it. Okay, do you understand what I mean by trend line now, Miss Elijah? I've explained that. Okay, we have not even entered the main topic of today. Don't worry, I still got the cover. Everything will be done. So that is just a break of structure. So now let me quickly slide into what we mean by change of character. Okay, let me quickly explain what change of character means, so that you guys will understand. So that is break of structure that has happened. Now, if you should see this market here, hello, I'm trying to check out this market. It's not the best place to explain break of structure. big place. All right. As you can see, this market now change of character. I'm looking for a possible change of character to show you guys, you know. But before I do that, let me just explain what change of character means. Now, change of character is a, you know, is a key concept in SMC, right? SMC trading, and it helps us to spot early trend reversals before most traders notice it. Okay, early trend reversals before most traders notice it. Now, if you should see this chart now, not that one. That one is not. I'm looking for a nice chart to explain to you. Right now, this is an uptrend, right? You can all believe with me that this market is an uptrend, right? Let me use my trend line to. That's why I'm using my trend line to show you guys. Have you seen? This is an uptrend. This is an uptrend. Now, before it happened in the uptrend, check what happened in the market, in the previous market. Check what happened in the previous market. The previous market was in a downtrend. Are you seeing? The previous market was in a downtrend. If you can see, the price was at here. Have you seen it? Price was at here. If actually you want to take it from here, in a downtrend, right? This doesn't really catch up what I want. That place, it doesn't give me what I want. Okay, it's not visible for me. Let me use 4 hours time frame if I'll be able to catch up with what I want to explain to you guys. It's still not the one. Still not the one. I made a valid downtrend. Uptrend. Alright. Alright. Yeah. Something like this. This is a downtrend. Right? The market was in a downtrend. The market was in a downtrend, but all of a sudden the price went up. Right? Price went up just in a small time. Have you seen? The price went up. Let me use this place to explain for you guys. Have you seen what happened? The price went up. That is it. The price went up. You see, the one with the blue candle, the one with the purple candle is a downtrend. Okay, the market was in a downtrend, but all of a sudden there was a change in character. Right? There was a change in what? Character. Right? This one is have you seen it? Have using it. So this zone, what just happened here is called change of character. It helps us spot trend reversal very quickly. Okay, it helps us spot trend reversal very quickly. So that is just it. And it is very, very useful in in wealth trading. Right, it's very, very useful in trading, because once you see this change of character, just know that the price is gonna go up. Right, you see it was forming higher. Look at this chart. If you should look at this chart, it was forming a higher high, and it was forming lower highs and lower lows. Right, that is what it was forming. It was forming lower high and lower low. So guys, that is just it. It was forming lower high and lower low, not higher high and higher low. Right, so once that pattern doesn't continue, just having in the mindset that the market is bound to reverse, there's gonna be a trend reversal. Okay, so this is just it. We got higher high here, we got higher lows, we got another higher high, we got lower high, lower low. Right, we got another lower high, we got another lower low, we got another lower high, we got another lower low, like that till when we got this lower high here. Once we got that lower high, guess what happened in the market? That was our last previous lower high before the trend changed to having higher highs and higher lows. Right, that one and this point here. Right, I've explained breakup structure already, so I think it's time for me to delete some of them. Let me delete something. Right, after doing that, so that I'm gonna have some coconut. Let me do some things to do. Now check what happened in this market. Yeah, this is it. That is what happened in the market. That is our last swing. That is our last lower low. Right, but that lower low turns to our higher low when it comes to change of character. Right, that lower low turns to higher low when the market reverses its trend. So that is basically what change of character is. This zone is called the change of character zone. Right, the zone is what we call the change of character zone. So it's a very nice concept in in SMC. Okay, because it occurs when the price shifts from making higher highs or higher lows to lower highs or lower lows. That's just what I just explained. And it also signals the market character has changed. It signals that the market is no more going in a downtrend but in an uptrend. Right, this makes it moves in an uptrend. Okay, so that is it. So now I want to differentiate between what we call by BOS and CHoCH. A BOS is usually signal continuation of a trend. BOS signals that, oh right, it's an uptrend, the market is going to continue to be in an uptrend. That is break of structure. It's just that it's breaking the previous higher highs, or it's breaking the previous lower lows, or it's breaking the previous lower highs, or it's gonna break the previous lower low, right? It signals a continuation of a trend, but change of character signals a potential reversal of the trend. Reversal of a trend in such a way that if it was creating higher highs and your lower lows, it's gonna change from higher highs to lower low, to lower lows to lower highs to lower low. That is how it is. That is the concept behind it. Okay, so guys, this strategy is very, very unique, and I would love you guys to practice it again. And when you are looking for your entry strategy, oh wow, after indicating your change of character, you wait for a retracement, a pullback to the discount zone. Okay, you see, after this change of character occur, we waited for a pullback to make sure that it is deeply going to a downtrend in an uptrend direction before we buy. Okay, you set your stop loss and you set your take profit. So imagine this occur and you set your entry should be here. Yes, and you set your below here, and you set your stop loss slightly below this zone. That would have make you a massive profit. Okay, that would have make you a massive profit from this trade, and your entry will be your entry. Your take profit will be here, and your stop loss will be below the support zone. That is it. Sorry, the take profit should be in a green candle. Your entry should be in purple, or your entry should be in blue, right? That should be your entry, and here should be in red. So this is it. Your entry would have entered at when market is $56,000, $52,000. That is your stop loss, and 69,000. That is your take profit. So this analysis would have helped you a lot, and we know we have a lot of them over in the chart. If you can check other pages apart from BTC and ATH, you have another numerous stuff that you can check it out. It will definitely help you to execute your trade, right? It will definitely help you to execute your trade. So you want to check the percentage of profit that you can make from there. You can go to your listing. I said your take profit is what? Your take profit is 69,993. You write your entry. It would have been my $56,541, and my stop loss would have been at 52,279, right? That is just it. That would have given you a massive profit. That would have given you a massive profit. Okay, you just come here and click and find your buy position. Stay with me. You got a buy position from here. You tap on buy. You type the amount of BUSD you want to type. Is it 1? $181. Here you see your take profit 69,993. Stop loss. Stop loss 52 200 something, right? So that is it. Why it's showing this way is because the market is not even up to $56,000. Okay, so this is just, I was just showing how to enter the trade here, not exactly values. So thank you so much for your time. I'm going to end this, and we're going to talk more about change of character in our next class, so that we have a lot to do, so that we can see how this pattern works well, right? So thank you guys for your time. I really appreciate. Have a nice day, farms. We'll continue from there. Bye, farms.